Hey guys, welcome to DIY Work. This is Tia again, and before starting today's project, I would like to request you to like and share my video and subscribe my channel if you're new to it. So let's get started with today's project, which are these beautiful bottles, photo bottles. I made it very simply in a very easy way. I'll show you two of the bottles which I made here with two different techniques. So now I'm preparing this bottle for painting and applying photograph. So I'm simply using tissue over it and I am just applying it with the help of water and glue, white glue. Do it as shown. This is the easiest way to prepare the bottles for coloring beautifully. Cover it completely to get the better results. After applying it, let it dry completely before going ahead. I am leaving here space for photographs, so I'll be applying photographs on the bottles on the left over sides. These are completely dried up bottles. So now I'm applying photographs. I'm simply pasting them with white glue. And first I am preparing the photographs by cutting them according to the bottles. Now here I'm using M-Seal instead of air dry clay, as I was out of air dry clay, and I'm making designs on the border of the photograph. So here I am making chain design with two sleek strings of M-Seal, and I'm joining like this, overlapping them together, and I'm making a chain kind of design with this. Now I'm simply pasting it with white glue on the border of the photograph, and I'll make some design with this. So you can do it as per your choice. You can make border according to you, or you can simply draw lines of this chain. I'm just rounding it off to make simple design like this. The final look will be great once it is dried up and it will be colored. Same way I'll be making some more designs on the corner of this photograph like this. Guys, hope you're enjoying all my videos, but please keep supporting and subscribing my channel. Now coming to the bottle part, I make sure this all design dries up before painting. Now I'm using black color and I'll paint all the bottle with this black color, including the clay part as well. Like this. Simply brushing up over the clay also. And completely color it with any color of your choice. Here the photograph I'm using is black and white, so I'll be doing it with black color. like this. Completely color it this way. Now I'm using metallic gold color with the sponge and I'm dabbing it on this dried up black color. Make sure the base color dries up completely. It'll give a very beautiful shade to it, and it'll enhance the beauty of your bottle frame, like this. I'm pasting a golden color flower, artificial flower, to make it look more elegant, and a golden color lace on the top of it, like this, to cover this plastic cover. And ta-da, it's done. This is the first type of bottle, and you can light up this bottle like I did by using a string light inside it. Now the second bottle, here I had pasted the photograph over it, and now I'm simply covering the complete bottle with red color. So before throwing your wine bottles, just watch this video completely so that you can make beautiful frames out of these glass bottles. Now I'm making some mold designs from this cookie molder or a fondant cake molder by just filling the mold design with hot glue gun, like this. And I'll wait for some time so that it dries up, and I'll get beautiful designs from this one. Now I'm applying white color of lace on the top of the bottle. Just paste it with the help of hot glue gun. Or you can use Fevicol Heatex or any strong adhesive. Similarly, I have some beautiful golden flowers, so I am just using a flower to decorate it further. Now I think it dries up, designs are dried up, so I'm just taking them out. See how beautiful they're looking. I have already made these one to decorate. Now with the help of hot glue gun only, I am applying these designs on the border of this photograph, like this. If you don't have such mold, you can always use clay or M-seal, air dry clay or M-seal, to make some designs, or you can make some designs with the hot glue gun as well, by making some designs over the paper and then just copying it with the help of glue gun. Now I am coloring these designs in white color. I'm using here acrylic color. I'm simply brushing it out with white color. It will not completely covered up with the color, but yeah, it will give a very good shade to the designs, like this. Guys, if you like this video, please keep commenting in the comment section below. Also provide me suggestions and also the topics or the things you want me to make. I make sure I make things according to your expectations in an easy way out. Now let it dry, the color. And again simply dab golden metallic color with the help of your finger on these mold designs. You can make your beautiful frames out of these different shapes of bottles, and you can gift them also. It is beautiful gift for anyone you love. You can gift it on Father's Day, you can gift it on sister's birthday, brother's birthday. You can surprise your husband making a beautiful bottle for him. See how beautiful these are looking. I hope you like this video, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like how I made these. Stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching.